how are you doing with your pleasures in life? Interesting fact that our motivation depends on two factors. Whatever we are doing in life, it's either for gaining more pleasure or avoiding pain. Even those people who struggle a lot, torture themselves, working hard, they still doing all of that with the hope that sometime later down the road there will be pleasure, that they will finally enjoy, relax. The secret is that we can enjoy now. But you might ask, how do I enjoy? How I have pleasure if I don't feel it, if I don't have it in me? And this is where we get real, and this is where we go deep. In our body, we have 7 chakras, energy centers, and one of them is a pleasure center. This center is located in the lower belly. It's where our genitals live. And yes, this center is responsible for our pleasures in sexuality, and not only. This center brings all the pleasures. Whenever we are having fun, just feeling good, laughing, or just enjoying something so much, this is where the pleasure center works. You know, sometimes we can have blockages there, and you probably had this experience that like life looks pretty good, but on some reason I'm not enjoying it so much. I don't feel it in me. There is no that good feeling, where to get it from. And this is when blockages are placed there. And how we gain those blockages, it can be some negative sexual experience in the past, some sexual trauma, or beliefs about joy, pleasure that planted in childhood, or just from social media. So there are many factors that can bring those blockages, and when energy is not flowing there, then that is when it's difficult to enjoy. So the good news that the workshop that we prepared is going to work on all of that. We have meditations, exercises planned, energy circulation, when all of that will be directed to open up the pleasure center, remove those blockages. And then when you feel the energy flowing through your pleasure center, this is when you will start noticing some significant changes in your life, and just enjoying the life, just feeling a new taste of life. We are so much looking forward to spend time with you at the workshop. Please check more information in the link below this video, and we can't wait to spend time with you. Come join us.